right, here goes the big work. Now spread that dough. Look at them go. Everything is made fresh. Thank you.
The Melt right here, Broadway at the beach, specializing in artesian sandwiches and wood-fired pizza. Yummy, yummy.
It's a new day for a high. It's another day to try to get by. And ooh, yeah, I'm feeling now every second, every hour of the day. Yeah. It's a new day for a high. Yeah.
Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and we're down here at beautiful Broadway at the beach at the Melt. And they said it's right here in the middle of the restaurant.
So you have appetizers, salads, pizza. There's melts. You got mains, sides, and desserts. Here's your cocktails, frozen drinks, martinis, and your wine.
And you know I love those cocktails, so I decided to go with the blueberry cobbler.
Let's see if I can find it.
Okay.
Oh, the blueberry cobbler. Yum. Looks like it's got blueberries and vanilla vodka mixed with fresh lemonade and muddled blueberries with a sweet sugar rim.
Yummy.
Yum. And here's the upstairs. So if you feel that they don't have enough seating, there is plenty. Because we're sitting right down there. So if you want to kick back in a little loungy area here at the Melt, they have it up top here in the corner where you can relax. Or maybe even play some darts. So if you notice, there's a lot of clocks on the wall. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the list goes on and on. And it's time to go back down.
Here it is, the delicious looking blueberry cobbler.
All right. So I decided to go with the buffalo chicken pizza. It's got buffalo sauce, grilled chicken, bacon, ranch and mozzarella. Yum. And it's $14.99.
Look at that. And I went with the chicken melt, the grilled chicken melt breast, honey mustard, bacon, mayo, and cheddar cheese. Wow. Now that's bacon.
Open it up a little bit.
Oh, the juices are falling on my hand. Oh,
That's good. Look at that. All right.
y'all, this is some delicious slaw. Oh my goodness. This is called the Asian slaw, and it is so good. It's very good. It's not your usual sweet slaw. It's got like a spicy Asian taste to it, doesn't it, B-Box? It is very good.
Very
So
good.
if you do come in here and you're looking to save some calories and fat, try this. This is delicious.
Of course, they have plenty of seating outside as well. If the wind wasn't blowing so bad and it was a little bit warmer. Summer still hadn't kicked in all the way yet. We'll walk through the little patio here. You can see on this side. Beautiful tree. And if you're unfamiliar where the melt is, where it's located, it's right here at the avenue, which they used to call Celebrity Square. It's right beside Dave and Buster's. The melt. And it's getting darker out here. It's like the sun's melting. So we'll have to do our closing in the nighttime. So our bill comes out to be $45.26 with blueberry cobbler and a beer added to that. Not too bad for dinner right here at Broadway at the beach.
Now that was absolutely delicious. So if you're ever down here at Broadway at the beach and you're looking for another delicious place, wish we'd known that before we did the top 6. But that was Melt right here at Broadway at the beach. All right. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit that like button and make sure you subscribe because it's free. And until next time, keep beaching and we'll see you in the next video. We have leftovers. Come on. Let's go check them out.
Look at that. Did you ask where the
They
food
got
was?
Philly egg rolls.
The food's in the kitchen, I think.
Coming soon to a Broadway near you.